In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or make private your feedback on eBay. If you want a little more privacy on your eBay profile, this is a quick setting you can change in just a few clicks. We'll be going from your main eBay account area to the feedback section and then adjusting the visibilities so your comments are hidden from public view. To begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account and on the main eBay website. Once you're there, move your cursor over the My eBay option near the top of the page. You don't need to click right away if a menu appears when you hover. This menu gives you access to different parts of your account, including buying and selling tools. From that menu, click on Selling. This will take you into the seller-related section of your eBay account. Even if you don't sell frequently, this is where eBay places the feedback access point used in this process. Wait a moment for the page to load completely so everything is visible before continuing. Next, look for the feedback number beside your nickname and click on it. This number opens your feedback profile, where other users can normally view comments and ratings connected to your account activity. If you don't immediately spot it, look near your profile information in the top area of the page. Once you're on the feedback profile page, find the option labeled Visible to Everyone and click on it. This is the setting that controls whether your feedback comments can be seen publicly. Opening this option will reveal the available visibility choices for your feedback profile. Then, click on Hide Comments. This updates the setting so your feedback comments are no longer openly displayed to everyone. It's a useful option if you prefer more privacy while still keeping your account active and functional. After you make the change, it's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure the setting has been applied. In some cases, eBay may refresh the page or show the updated visibility status. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check the current setting again. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your eBay feedback comments and made your profile more private. If eBay updates its layout in the future, the wording or placement of these options may change slightly, but the overall process should stay very similar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.